What's up everyone? Welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert and remove your SIM card for your iPhone SE. Let's get started. So what you're going to need for this to work is your iPhone, the SIM card ejection tool, and your nano SIM card. Now if you don't have the SIM card, you want to contact your carrier. If you can't find your SIM card ejection tool, double check in your box. Usually it's hidden within all that paperwork in this manual package. So just pull that out and kind of search through the manuals. It's in there somewhere. There it is. Now if you can't find this in the box, you can use either an earring or a paper clip, something with a dull end that's small enough. Make sure it's not sharp or it will damage the SIM card tray. Now getting started, first thing is locate the SIM card tray. It's on the right side of your iPhone SE. Take the SIM ejection tool and insert it into the slot. And the goal here is to keep it as straight as possible and press firmly. It might be a little bit difficult to remove it for the first time, but we'll press and there you go. You can see it kind of popped out. You can pull out the tray and that's how it's removed. Now just one thing to take note of is you can see that there's a slight slant on the SIM card, and that same slant is also on the SIM card tray, so your goal here is to align both of them up. And the way I do it is I just place the SIM card on my index finger and usually just place the tray right on top like so. Then holding it like this, you're basically just going to slide it back into the iPhone, and you can see that the hole of the SIM card tray and the hole of the opening are aligned, and you just press it in and that is it. So that's how you would insert the SIM card. Removal is just as simple. You're again going to take that SIM card ejection tool, press firmly when it pops out like so, pull out the tray, and that's it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. If you had any issues, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.